Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Women Haul. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video latest and trendy ideas of leather pants in flared pants ideas in today's my collection. Many much more latest ideas of leather flare pant and bell bottom pant with beautiful top for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of leather pant you see in this video. Some ideas button designs on pants. Some collection zip designs on pants. And some ideas heavy flared. And some ideas light flare, and some collection different colors of leather, and beautiful top, designer top, and t-shirts, dress shirts, and different type of sweaters, and so beautiful over collection in leather. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very nice and you look very attractive. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.